Hi, this is Gene from ifixsmartphone.com. Today I wanted to upload a video how I go about troubleshooting and fixing, hopefully, possibly the water damaged iPhone. Right now the board that you're looking at here is iPhone 7 Plus that was in the water, and a customer obviously tried to dry themselves by putting in their rice, which didn't work, so it came in here. I already opened it up because it wasn't even powering on. I just didn't need to see any need to show you the video of not, the iPhone 7 not working. So I already took the board out and wanted to show you what I do. So most likely the phone is not powering on already because there's an internal short somewhere. So we have to find it where the short is. So before even doing that, what I do is I have this good old DC power supply, and I plug it in and I power it on, and I'll show you. Here is turned off, so it's already connected. So when I power it on, you can see it's jumping right away, drawing 1.4 plus amp. So it's just too much, because when you plug it in, if there's no short, that DC supply is supposed to remain 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I go about finding the shorts. So let's do that. So I got this, to determine where the hot area is, because when there's a short, usually it gets hot. So what I do is I just put some little freeze spray like this, and then power it on, and it should give me an idea where the hot area is. And there it is. You can see right there it gets hot already, and that from the schematics I already know what it is. This is called VDD boost IC, and this IC actually does not have any ground to pass the ground, which creates a short. That means if this is getting hot, there's some caps related to here is causing a short. So what I have to do is I got to remove this VDD boost and jump to a VCC main, and then find out where the actual short is. So I'll be right back. Okay, the VDD boost IC is now removed, and I have connected to DC, and let's see what it does before jumping the pads. It has very minor shorts, even though it's not drawing a lot. 0.06 means it has a partial short in it. So I'm gonna try to find the major short first, and that actually tells me if this has a partial shorts on VDD main line also. So let's try to do one at a time. Okay, I removed the VDD and shorted it, and when I test it, it actually has a minor short. So this is indicating that the VDD boost chip itself is shorted. So I'll go ahead and replace it. Now I got the VDD boost chip replaced and found no short. Testing with the battery, charging port, and plugged it in, and yep, phone powered on. So I guess that was the fix. It was a bad VDD boost IC. Another iPhone repaired. Thanks for watching.